What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Driver's Side. I'm Drew, and this is one of the project motorcycles we have here. It is a 1979 Honda CB650. Today I'm just going to be doing a little bit of maintenance on it because when I bought it I don't really know when the last oil change was, so that's what we're going to be doing, is changing the oil. So getting down into what we'll be using is we will be using Valvoline 10W40. There's a lot of variation on oils that people use with their old bikes like these. Some people go for synthetic oils, some people go for mineral oils still. I'm going to go for mineral based oil. I used 10W40 last time to just fill it back up with oil and it seemed to work fine, so we're just going to stick with this and do a complete refresh. And let's also show you what else we're going to be changing along with the oil, and that is the filter. So in here I've got a brand new oil filter. This is a K&N oil filter, K&N 401 I guess. I'll leave a link to where you can get this online, but this one fits this bike specifically. And it's a lot better filter than what they used back in the day. Oh, also, before I forget, the bike holds 3 quarts of oil, or 3.5 quarts, but I'm just going to fill it with 3. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, we are finally done. The oil change took a little bit longer than expected because I had to go get some bolt extractor sockets, but once I got those, the whole job went really smoothly. That's about all I have for this oil change video. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment on what your favorite filters, oil, all that is. I'd like to hear that. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, and as always, enjoy the road.